Welcome to another video on how to activate your RBC Royal Bank debit card. I'm Akin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. So to activate your RBC Royal Bank debit card, first you need to contact the bank. Reach out to the RBC Royal Bank's customer service or the phone number provided with your debit card. This will guide you through the activation process. And next, provide the necessary information. Be prepared to provide information such as your full name, account number, and any other details requested by the customer service representative to verify your identity. And after that, follow the instructions. The representative will guide you on the specific steps to activate your debit card. This may involve confirming personal details, setting up a PIN, or using a specific automated system. After that, sign the card. Once activated, sign the back of your debit card in the designated area. This helps ensure the card's validity and provides an additional level of security. After that, test the card. To ensure that activation was successful, try using your debit card to make a small purchase or withdraw cash from an ATM. If the transaction is completed without any issues, it indicates that your card is activated and ready to use. But please note that the exact activation process may vary depending on the bank's specific procedure. It is always recommended to consult the instructions provided with your debit card or contact the bank directly for accurate and up-to-date information. But that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.